Your engine is stalling, refusing to start, or acting erratic, and you have pulled the trouble code P025D. This is a serious issue that points directly to the heart of your fuel system. Let's break down exactly what this means for your vehicle, especially if you drive a modern Ford, Chevy, Dodge, or similar model. In the old days, fuel delivery was simple, but modern engines require high precision. Your engine control module, or EECM, uses a fuel pump control module to regulate pressure perfectly. When you see code P025D, it means the EN has detected that the fuel pump module or its circuit is operating at a voltage or electrical value higher than it should be. Essentially, the computer is shouting that something is electrically out of range, and it is likely shutting things down to protect the system. The symptoms are hard to miss. The most obvious one is that your car simply will not start because the engine is not getting fuel. If it does run, you might experience stalling, hard starting, poor gas mileage, or a general lack of power. You might even smell raw fuel if there is a leak, which is a major safety hazard. So, what causes this? It is usually one of a few culprits: a defective fuel pump module, a failing fuel pump, a clogged screen filled with debris, or damaged wiring like a frayed or melted wire shorting out against the frame. Before you start throwing parts at it, check for technical service bulletins for your specific year and model, as this is a common issue on certain American trucks and sedans. For troubleshooting, safety comes first. You are working with gasoline, so wear protective gear and ensure there are no sparks. A classic backyard mechanic trick, if the car won't start, is to have a friend crank the engine while you give the bottom of the fuel tank a solid tap with a rubber mallet. If the car fires up, the vibration likely dislodged debris or jarred a stuck pump, confirming you need a new fuel pump. If that doesn't work, you need to inspect the wiring harness. These wires run under the car and are exposed to road salt, water, and heat. Look for melted connectors or pinched wires along the frame rails. If you are comfortable with a multimeter, you can check the voltage at the pump connector, but you will need your specific service manual for the correct values. If the wiring looks good, the failure is likely internal to the pump module or the pump itself. If you are not experienced with high-pressure fuel systems, this is the time to call a professional, as a mistake here can be dangerous.